Welcome to the SeaPearl Admin Panel tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the SeaPearl dashboard effectively to manage your hotel or resort website. Let's get started. At first, navigate to the login page and enter your credentials. After entering your credentials, click Login and you'll land on the SeaPearl Admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will find the main navigation menu. Click the User menu in the top right corner to access your profile or log out. The dashboard provides an overview of key admin activities, including graphs for booking and payment reports. Admins can select specific time ranges, zoom in or out, and download reports in multiple formats. Managing rooms. In the All Rooms section, you can see all the rooms with their status. You can edit or delete any rooms using these action buttons. Feature the room on homepage. Let's create a new room. Set the cost. Number of rooms you are referring. Area of room. Number of bathrooms. Maximum guests number. Adults and children among guests. Select the category and bed type of the room. You can add tax and VAT on rooms as static number or in percentage. Select the amenities you are referring. Also select the extra services providing with room. Select or upload featured image. Now select slider images. You can enable event space if you are referring, feature on homepage, and set status of availability. Now, set the name of the room, featured title, description, SEO title, SEO description for each language. Now, review everything and click on Publish. New room will be created. Now let's see how to create amenities we selected earlier. At the bottom, we will add our new one. Click one Create New button. Select or upload the icon. Name of the amenity for each language. Then click Submit. Now the amenity can be selected while creating rooms. Same procedure for creating bed types, and after creating the new bed type can be selected while creating rooms. For creating coupons, set a coupon name. Set coupon code which will be applied by customers. Set the discount type. Now select the coupon starting date and ending date. Select the rooms on which the discount you want to be applied through the coupon. Click Submit and the coupon will be generated. New coupon status is pending because the start date was selected in future. If the coupon period is ongoing, it will show active. You can edit, delete, or create new room categories in the Room Categories section. Click Create New. Set category name for all languages. Enable is active, and your new category will be added. In the Extra Service section, you can edit, delete, or create new extra service by clicking Create New. Set name of the service you want to provide. Set the charge for the extra service. Select service type and status. Click on Submit and now the extra service can be added to the rooms. Manage your bookings. From the All Bookings section, you can see all of your bookings with their current status. You can delete your booking by the following method. Click on the I button to change status of your booking. Set your desired status for booking and payment from drop-downs and click Update. Thus, your booking status will be changed. You can review your booking details in the same manner. Also can print or download invoice. All the paid bookings will be sorted in the Paid Bookings section. Canceled bookings will appear in the Canceled Bookings section, and bookings with pending payments will be in the Awaited Payments section. Managing blogs. In the All Blogs section, you can see all the blogs with their current status. You can easily edit, view, or delete blog. Also, you can publish or unpublish the blogs using this toggle switch. Let's create a new blog clicking on Add New in Blogs section. Write the title, content, and SEO details of the blog for each language. Select category for your blog. Write suitable tags for your blog. Tags already exists will be suggested. For a new use tag, click Add button. Select or import an image for your blog and click Insert Image. After that, click the Publish button. Congrats! Your blog has created and will be showing in website. You can see all the categories in the Categories section. Let's create a new category. Set your category name for all languages. Enable the new category and click on Submit button. The new category will be showing while selecting category in creating blogs. In the Tags section, you can see all the tags with some stats like posts count with the following tag and tag creation time. You can also edit or delete the tags. Managing comments. In the comments section, you can see all the comments on your blogs and manage their status. To approve a comment, click on the green action button. You can unapprove again. For deletion, click on the red action button and click on delete button. You can easily identify which comment is associated with each blog. Newsletter. From this section, you can see who have subscribed to your newsletter. You can download your subscribers list as CSV file. Remove any subscriber using the Delete button. Managing support ticket. The support ticket section lets you manage customer queries efficiently. You can see them along with status. Let's see how you will manage them. Click on the I button. Write replies and resolve issues to ensure customer satisfaction. You can add files with your reply through Choose File, set status of the query, then click on Send Reply. Thus, your reply will be added to the customer's query. Managing pages. In this section, you can see all your pages. You can edit the pages. View front end. Delete pages. Let's create a new page. You can use breadcrumb image. Set the title of your page. Also the SEO title, SEO tags, and SEO description. Now go back. Click on Add section. Select the section you want. Add section. Now click on that section. Choose the layout you like. You can customize every layout. Fill the input section. Go back again. Add another section. Select suitable layout. Every layout will ask you different types of data. Insert the data and see the magic. This is how you set spacing. For other languages, select the language, and you will see a warning message that if you want to copy page data from primary language, click on Yes for the first time, and it will copy your design for that language. Then you just have to replace the translated texts. If you have to change language again which have already copied, then click on Cancel on the warning pop-up. Click on Publish, and your page is ready. You can reposition your page sections. I'm showing from a page where are multiple sections. Drag the section you want to reposition and place where you want to. As you can see, the footer is now above the team section. Change again. Now it's at the bottom. Managing media. You can see all the uploaded media files in this section. You can also upload new files from here. Click on any image to see its properties. Copy URL or delete that file. Like this, you can create your own media library for your beautiful website. Managing contacts. In the Contacts section, view and manage messages or inquiries submitted through the website's contact form. You can identify the message is seen or unseen easily. Also view the message or delete contact. Managing users. In the Users section, you can view all users with their roles, edit or delete the user. Let's create a new user. Go to the Add User section. Set the username, an email which will be used for logging in, a strong password about, then select the role you want to assign. Click Submit, and your user will be created. Let's go to Role and Permission. Here, you can see all the user roles. Without the admin role and user role, any other roles can be edited or deleted. Let's create a new role. Click Create New button. Set the new role title, description. Set role permissions to control user access across the system. After selecting the permission, click on Submit, and the new role will be created. Managing appearance. In this section, you can customize your website.
In General section, you can edit your site title, tagline, and SEO details, logos, and favicon image.
You can choose the primary and secondary font from our broad variety of font library.
Choose accent color. You can set global dark mode by enabling is dark. Back to default color uses are preset. You can write custom CSS or bring your own custom HTML code. To manage the menu, go to the Menus section. Select the page you want to add in the menu. For now, I am adding the About the page I created earlier. Select and click Add to Menu. Drag it to the position where you want to set it in the menu. You have to do it for all languages. Save menu and your menu will be updated. You can add blogs in your menu. If you want to add custom links, just put the URL of the page and name the page for the menu. Settings. In the mail settings, you can configure the SMTP. Payment gateway settings includes configuring the gateways and active or deactivate them. You can update your currency in the currency settings. In the page settings, you can set default pages and breadcrumb images. In the language settings, you can add new language, set default language, delete any language except the default one. For creating new language, set the name, select the language you want, and select the writing direction. For translating the static texts, like buttons and placeholders, go to Translation. Click Translate on the language you want, and replace the default language with your language. Translate all these fields. Then click Submit. In the taxes settings you can edit, delete or deactivate the charges, or create a new one. Let's add Indian GST. In the file system and cache configuration settings you can change or configure file system driver, cache and session driver or Redis configuration. You can change social media login credentials from the social media login settings. Here in the invoice settings, you can update invoice logo, title, subtitle, contact, and address. Profile settings. In this section you can update your profile picture, name, email, phone number, country, and address. You can also change your password from here. Thanks for watching this video. If you face any problem, you can contact our support team.